Hey everybody, it's me, Joseph McClendon III, and I think I just saw you a couple days ago at that amazing event. Thank you so much for the gift of your attention, your time, your energy, and your trust. And I wanted to just poke my head in your world just for a moment and share with you something that I only had a few minutes to share with you before, and that is about this amazing machine called the BioCharger. And if you got a chance to experience it, I know you know what I'm talking about. I've had this in my life for several years now, and this is just my definition of it. I want you to do your research and find out more about it. It replicates, this is just my version of it, the energy that the sun gives off in a lot of different ways of frequencies and everything. And I've been using it, and it's right there in my bedroom, and I use it every single morning. It's just a push of a button and it comes on. It energizes me as well as, and you can literally see it working. And so do your research and find out about it. And my deepest wish for you is that you have that in your life as well. But I want to share that with you because, the guys at BioCharger, Jim, and everybody there have been just, dear friends of mine, as well as it's something that is life-changing. So use it, check it out, and I look forward to seeing you real soon. I'll see you at the top. Bye-bye.